I'm Moulos from E-commerce Brokers, where we help people buy and sell millions of dollars worth of online businesses. And in this video, we're going to review businessesforsale.com. Let's get into it. Businessesforsale.com is a website marketplace where you can buy and sell businesses from all around the world. Now, they mainly focus on non-online businesses. They do have some online businesses for sale, but this website and this video is focusing on businesses that are brick and mortar, that are retail, that are in real life. So not necessarily online businesses. Regardless, let's dive into the pros and cons of this platform and this marketplace to see if you should use this platform to buy or sell a business. Businessesforsale.com is one of those marketplaces that is a staple in the market. It is one of the top 4 to 5 websites in the world that anyone will go to buy or sell a business, online or offline. Now, with that being said, it does have a lot of weaknesses compared to some of its competitors. So let's dive into some of the recent reviews they've received that are good and bad to see where their strengths and weaknesses are. First things first, as a buyer, we want to take a look at what they have for offer. Do they have enough businesses for us to actually take a good look at a great range of businesses, or do we need to be looking at a bunch of other websites as well because this doesn't have volume? Now, on that note, this platform has volume. They do have a lot of businesses listed. Now, the other thing that I quite like about this platform is that wherever you are in the world, whether you're in the States, Canada, Australia, South Africa, they will have a local website, businessesforsale.com/South Africa, for example, and you'll see local businesses. So in that way, it can really make the search a lot easier instead of having to go to the bigger websites where everything will be put on the same listing pages. One of the things I love about their platform is the simplicity of using the website. So I'm on the platform right now, and immediately I can put in the business location, I can put in my asking price, my cash flow request, how much I'm looking for revenue-wise, as well as a bunch of other filters that make searching for and refining my search criteria very easy. So for example here, they make it very simple. It's a no frills type option for a marketplace. Here's a business that is an established portfolio of salons in the US. It has a very short description, has asking price, revenue, cash flow. Super simple. I love the simplicity of it. This is what I've always loved about this website. So going on to any of the listings, you're going to see some very, very brief information. Obviously, they want to keep this info confidential, but again, I think at the end of the day, most buyers really just want to take a look at the cash flow, sales revenue, and the asking price. Now, like any listing, we can actually learn a lot and take a lot and analyze a lot from very little information. So here we are. They show you a bit about property information, the business operation, and other information, and it just a simple contact the seller. From that point, you're going to talk to the seller, go back and forth over email with some questions, and hop on a call. That is the standard process. Now, a lot of the time when you contact the seller, you're actually going to talk to a broker. This is a website where a lot of brokers go to list their own listings, business listings, so they get more eyes on their listing, and it makes a lot of sense. Now, another part of this website that is worth taking a look at is what they call the merger vault. They put their highest value businesses here. So again, it's called merger vault, high value mergers and acquisitions. And generally speaking, it's anything over $1 million in revenue. It's not necessarily high value. It's high value maybe for the small business world, but we have listings here that are a couple mil, 60 mil, 2 mil, 8 mil. I would say the average price is probably about 5 mil. But here is for your bigger acquisitions. Again, very interesting, and there is a paid model for this service. To get better access to this website, you're going to have to register for a membership. Now, the standard model is free. Now, what that means is you can take a look at a lot of information, actually contact sellers, but you're going to be limited by what information you can see before you do that. And even some sellers, especially the higher value businesses, you will not have access to. Now, the premium subscription, as I'm accessing this in the US, the prices may vary, is $14.95 per month or $90 a year with 50% off. Now, as a broker myself, we haven't actually bought this membership because it's actually so good to use for free, right? It's just not necessary. And we mainly focus on online business acquisition. So for our buyers, there just aren't enough online businesses to be listed on here for us to take a good look at. That is slowly changing, but generally speaking, this is for brick and mortar retail businesses. Now, like I said, this is one of the old school marketplaces. So SEO wise, they are pretty much the best in the game, one of the best in the game. Not as big as Biz Buy Sell, but they have done a lot of SEO. Now, what that means is if you're looking to sell your business, this is a good place because it does get a lot of eyeballs. The sheer volume of blog posts they've done and new listings adds to their organic SEO. So you're going to get a lot of eyeballs from buyers. So as a seller, this is a good platform to get your listing up on, right? Now, with that being said, because this is such a big business, you don't necessarily get the highest quality service if you list directly with this marketplace. Like a lot of marketplaces, they are not the high quality option. You don't have a person there working just for you, working on a bigger commission. They aren't necessarily incentivized. This is generally what the reviews say. It is a big website with good SEO. You will get eyeballs, but there is a lot of spam that comes through. And a lot of it's a bit riskier because they don't have a one-on-one service. Now, looking at the website, scrolling through it, again, they have higher tier memberships. Like I said, the free model is quite good. It adds a lot of value. But of course, you have your bigger listing prices. For example, if you're coming in from the sell side, you have 6-month packages at $400, 3-month packages at $300, 1-month packages at $200, and a test the market package, which is for free. I'm sure there's paid options after the 20 days. Now, let's take a look at the reviews. The reviews, generally speaking, and this is really a strength of this business marketplace compared to others, they have a Trustpilot score of 4.9, which is extremely good based on 460 reviews. Now, of course, like all reviewers, I'm going to take a look at the bad reviews and what they say. And of course, they pretty much say the same thing that everyone will say, which is it's a scam or so on. But taking a look at the specific reviews that say it's bad and it's not good, a lot of the time they are spam themselves. Like it doesn't look like legitimate reviews. And because this businessesforsale.com platform is international, a lot of these reviews aren't actually coming from North America, for example. They're coming from countries where someone's selling like a convenience store or a restaurant for very little, and they might have just been disgruntled. So I don't think it's a true indication of buying and selling a business in North America. So I actually give it a pretty good score on my personal review score as a marketplace. Businessesforsale.com, I give it a 7.8 out of 10 as a marketplace to buy businesses. That being said, for online businesses, it just isn't really the place to be looking. You should look at the other marketplaces, which I have also done videos on. Flipper.com, for example, Kwai.com, for example, Empire Flippers. And of course, if you are looking to buy or sell an online business, you can of course come to myself and e-commerce brokers. We of course help people buy and sell millions of dollars worth of online business every single year. We have a buy-side service called Elite Acquirers, where we specifically help you find your exact acquisition criteria, and we bring it every week in an email, and then of course help you close the deal. And of course on the sell side, we also have businesses that we sell. We've been doing this for 13 years. So if you're interested, you can book a call and get on a call with a broker within 24 hours. I will see you in the next review video.